Hello, guys and girls, if any chicks watch my videos. Yeah, this is Born to Real Productions, also known as Jader321, coming to you with a video explaining my LEGO Railroad. Well, not like this will be like part 1. Then I'll have part 2, part 3, and so on. Because really, it isn't much to look at. I only have one freight car, and it's chocked full of people. Yeah, got the Emerald Knight, and I have the Passenger train, which I turned into a 9-volt train. Just plug this sucker in. Plug-de-doo. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put the camera on the train. Hold on a minute. I probably think this will fail. Oh, let's give it a shot. Here we go. Hey, you know what? It didn't wiggle yet. Yay! Okay, sorry about that. Like, I have no idea why, like, the camera cut out. Like, here's what happened. The train went around the bend, and the camera fell onto the ground. And then when I picked it up, the lens was all blurry. I have no idea. I mean, I restarted the camera. It's fine. But I have no idea why. Anyway, let's try that again. And go. Try to go slow. I'll fail! God. Epic fail! That freaking sucked! It just flipped right off the freaking train. Try that again. Sorry, I just really want to have a camera ride. It's fun to do. Okay, here we go. Come on, train, go! Go! Screw it, I'll just put it on the middle car. Try this. Come on. Come on, stay on. Oh! Shoot! Ah, crap, is it still recording? Wow, sorry guys, you just got thrown. Oh, snap, wait. Huh, like, no dents. Wow, this is one tough camera. Anyway, back to the main point of this video. Sorry about that. I had no freaking idea the camera would fall off the train onto the concrete. Man, I'm surprised it didn't break the camera. Whew. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Yeah, about my I mean, seriously, I'm, like, this video is not too much. I mean, it's just because, like, I have nothing to talk about, and my railroad is, like, a little piece of crap now. But, I mean, it'll be a little better, because I'll have a 9-volt freight train, and more 9-volt stuff. Then, I'm going to have another 9-volt train, more freight cars, maybe the Metroliner. Yeah, maybe. I have no friggin' idea. I hope I can get the Metroliner. Train's so cool. And maybe I can get the club car to it, which is the extra car for it. I mean, to have that, like, nearly 20 years after it was first released, would be freaking epic. I mean, yeah. Anyway, this is a rather short video, so thanks for watching, and please comment and rate.